Quick grammar drills, best practices for developing your English. This is an intermediate lesson, and today's topic is mixed tenses. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, your English teacher, and today we're tackling something that separates fluent speakers from basic learners: mixed tenses. This lesson connects the past, the present, and future forms in one clear system so you finally understand when and why to use each tense. And by the end, you'll recognize patterns, speak with confidence, and know how to move naturally through time in English. Why do mixed tenses actually matter? Native speakers switch tenses constantly in the same story, same paragraph, and even the same sentence. Here's an example. I was eating when my boss called, and now I've already finished. That right there has a mix of connections and, and tenses right there. So if you don't master the connections, your English sounds broken. Let's build those connections now. Present tenses overview. Present simple. Facts and habits. I eat breakfast at 7. The present continuous, meaning that the action is happening now. The example, I am eating right now. Then we have the present perfect. The result is connected to now. I have eaten already. And then we have the present perfect continuous, the action in progress until now. I have been eating since 7. Now we'll jump into the past tenses overview. Past simple, completed action in the past. I ate pizza yesterday. I know when I ate the pizza. Past continuous, action in progress in the past. It means that it wasn't finished at the time. I was eating when you called. Past perfect is the action before another past moment. Typically, we know this as the past of the past. I had eaten before you arrived. And then we have the past perfect continuous. It's a long action before another past moment. I had been eating for an hour before they came. And now, finally, the future tenses overview. Future simple, decision, prediction. I will eat later. Future continuous, action in progress at a future time. I will be eating at 8 o'clock. Future perfect, action is completed by a future moment. I will have eaten by the time you arrive. And the last form is the future perfect continuous. It's an action continuing until a future moment. I will have been eating for an hour by then. Here I have made you a full tense grid for I eat. You can pause the video and take a snapshot of this. I suggest to look over this over and over again, maybe at night, probably best before you fall to sleep, instead of watching like an Instagram video or TikTok. And here we have the time, and we have the simple, and then the continuous, and then the perfect, and then the perfect continuous. So here we go. The past is I ate, I was eating, I had eaten, I had been eating. Now for the present, I eat, I am eating, which is now. I have eaten, which is connected to the present. I have been eating, which means I am still eating. Future, I will eat, like a promise. I will be eating, usually at a specific time. I will have eaten by this time. It's already completed. I will have been eating. So let's go to the next slide. Here's another way that you can understand the meaning is if you think of the tense as a camera angle on time. The present is what's happening now. The past is what already happened. The future is what will happen. And for perfect tenses, it's looking back from a point time. And continuous tenses is an action in progress. Here's a very good practice to identify the tense. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to identify the tense together. I'm going to give you 5 sentences. You're going to read each sentence and say which tense it is. Since this is a video, you can write it down in a notebook and then check to see if you are correct. So number 1, here we go. Try to guess the tense. I have been working since the morning. Number 2, I will be eating at 9. Number 3, I was eating when the phone rang. Number 4, I had eaten before she arrived. And number 5, I eat lunch at work. Let's see if you are correct. The answer key. So number 1 is I have been working since the morning. That's the present perfect continuous. Number 2, I will be eating at 9. That's the future continuous. Number 3, I was eating when the phone rang. That's the past continuous. Number 4, I had eaten before she arrived. That's the past perfect. And number 5, I eat lunch at work. This is the present simple. Here are some common confusions. I was eating when she comes. The correct way to say that is I was eating when she came. I have eaten yesterday. You can't ever say that. You want to say I ate yesterday. I will have been eat by then. You want to say I will have eaten by then. Here's a little recap before our quiz, our drill. The present is for now. The past is before now. The future is after now. The perfect is a completed action. The continuous is an action in progress. The perfect continuous is a long action with duration. Now, let's get to the drill. All right, we have arrived to the drill. If you want to do more drills, you can go to davidenglish.info where I have another quiz. It's a fill-in where you could write in this stuff. You have this video there as well, and you have there the presentation, and you can do more practice. So, number 1, when I was a kid, I always dream of becoming an astronaut. So the answer is I always dreamt of becoming an astronaut. Number 2, by 2050, I live in the city for over 20 years. So we have the keyword by, which can really help you to identify what tense you need to use. So what do you think the answer is? I'm going to say by 2050, I will have lived in this city for over 20 years. Now, number 3, last summer, I hike in the mountains for a week before it rained. Here, because it says before it rained, I know that I'm in the past of the past. So I'm going to say last summer, I had hiked in the mountains for a week before it rained. I had hiked. 4, she already finished her project when the teacher asked for it. So in this case, I'm going to say she had already finished her project when the teacher asked for it. It happened before she asked for it. So that's the past perfect again. 5, what you plan to do this weekend. So this is the future. We can use actually the present progressive for this one, or present continuous, and say, what are you planning to do this weekend? Let's continue to number 6. When I was in school, I often read books under my desk. So we know that this is in the past. School is over. We're going to use past simple. And you want to say, when I was in school, I often read books under my desk. And remember, read is pronounced read in the past. Number 7, by the end of this year, I work here for 5 years. So I want to say that this is a future perfect tense because this is something that is completed in the future. So by the end of this year, I will have worked here for 5 years. Number 8, before they moved, I know them for a long time. Well, these people moved, but before that, I had known them for a long time. That's the past perfect. Number 9, he just leave when I arrived at the party. So the person arrived at the party, and I think before that, the person had just left. He had just left when I arrived at the party. And number 10, what you want to achieve next year. Well, we have the word want. I think this is simple, present simple. What do you want to achieve next year? And guys, tell me what you want to achieve next year in the comments. Now we have a multiple choice question. For 11 through 15, we need to decide if it's A, B, or C. Let's read the first sentence together. 11. He always to the beach in summer. You can also say in the summer. Now, what do you think? Is it A, he has gone, did go, or had went? I'm going to go with A, he has always gone to the beach in the summer. Number 12, the concert last night. Is it A, did they enjoy the concert last night? Had they enjoyed the concert last night? Or C, have they enjoyed the concert last night? The answer is A, did they enjoy the concert last night? Number 13, this book before. Is it I read this book before? Is it I have read this book before? Or is it I did read this book before? The most natural one to me is going to be the present perfect. It's going to be B, I have read this book before. Number 14, by next month, my project. Is it by next month I finish my project? By next month I will finish my project? Or by next month I will have finished my project? I'm going to go with by next month, C, I will have finished my project. And number 15, she happy about the news? Is it A, was she happy about the news? B, is she happy about the news? Or C, did she happy about the news? Because there's no time expression there, I'm going to go with, is she happy about the news? Like right now, is she happy about the news? Now let's go to the next set of questions and then we're going to finish. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like or thumbs up, and share this with a friend that needs this. Okay, 16. Let's continue with this multiple choice quiz. 16, the more you do, the better you're going to get. They never to Europe before this trip. Is it they, A, is it they have never gone to Europe before this trip? They did never go to Europe before this trip? Or they had never gone to Europe before this trip? I would say we're going to go with present perfect. They have never gone to Europe before this trip. 17. The movie already? Is it, did you see the movie already? Is it B, have you seen the movie already? Or is it C, had you saw the movie already? I'm going to go with 17. I'm going to go with B, have you seen the movie already? Number 18. Breakfast every morning. It's every morning. So is it A, I eat breakfast every morning? Is it B, I have eaten breakfast every morning? Or is it C, I did eat breakfast every morning? I'm going to go with I eat breakfast every morning, present simple. Something that's permanent, something that doesn't change. It's very factual. And 19, by the time she arrives, we are homework. So let's go. By the time she arrives, is it A, we finished our homework? B, we will finish our homework? Or C, we will have finished our homework? The answer is C, we will have finished our homework. And number 20, the last one. He the one who called you. Is it A, was he the one who called you? B, is he the one who called you? Or C, did he the one who called you? And you know what? It could be was or is, but let's go with is. Is he the one who called you? B. If you want a real life challenge, so after you have done this video, you can try this yourself. Share a story using as many tenses as you can to a friend, to your teacher, and you're only going to get better. And I wish you luck with that. And now let's go just to the answers again. So here's the answer key to the questions. If I were you, I would stop the video and read these out loud. And here's the second set. Again, stop the video and read these out loud to yourself. Again, thank you for coming to the David English Academy. And for more information, you can visit and follow my social media accounts. Have a great day, everybody.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level, where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.